Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with Chart Guys. It is Monday, February 5th, into my nightly video on NatGas. So NatGas gave us a clue. I said I was watching these weekly candles in my past videos. That NatGas on this bounce, every weekly candle had a higher low. And I said once we break to a lower low on the weekly candles here, let me go to the adjusted chart because there is too much of a gap to the new contracts. So anyways, so the weekly candles here from the lows had higher lows. Every weekly candle had a higher low. And I said once we broke to a lower low on the weekly, that's going to be my clue that this bounce is over in natural gas. So we had this candle after breaking to a higher high on the weekly, break below the lower to a lower low on the weekly. So broke the low of last week of 3.197. That was my clue that it was time to for NatGas to pull back some. Looking at today's candle, once we broke the low of last week, continuing to the downside. So looking at the daily, RSI has room to the downside here, and again, entries have been pretty good around the 30 RSI level on the daily, so that's what I'll look for on the daily, 30 RSI level. The next support I see here is this low here of 2.693 that bulls would ideally like to keep. We break it below 2.693, that's going to be a bad signal for the NatGas bulls. And you can see NatGas off this daily reversal hammer, reversal candle, once it broke the low of that daily, had increasing bear volume and absolutely ripped to the downside here. And you can see that we have an inside candle today and it broke bearish. The high and low was within the previous ranges, high and low. And we broke bear on it with increasing bear volume. So that is also a win for the bears on this daily chart. The hourly is oversold, but again, these oversold conditions are going to only be short-term bounce plays only. As you can see, that it's just been consolidation dump, consolidation dump, consolidation dump, consolidation dump, consolidation dump. So the RSI, we do have some hourly oversold, but we definitely need to be careful on bounce plays to just play them quickly for day trading profits and get out, as the trend in longer term charts is in favor of the bears currently. 4 hour is also extremely oversold again. So the last bounce we got was around the time we had this 4 hour RSI oversold. So the 4 hour RSI is extremely oversold again. It's in the 20s again, so we could get a reversal here, but same thing with the 4 hour. I would be careful until we have signs of a stronger bounce. If you're playing bounce plays, you need to do them quickly. We do have, you see the low here. We did form a reversal candle here, but we need a green candle on the next 4 hour candle, break above and close above 2.762 with increasing bull volume to confirm this bullish reversal candle. And then what bulls need to do on this 4 hour chart is break above 2.88. So that's the levels I'll watch for on the 4 hour chart as this 4 hour chart bounce plays out, if there is a bounce. If you wanted to find a trade, if it breaks above 2.762, that's where I would enter a bull trade on the NatGas based on the 4 hour chart. And with the 4 hour being so oversold, looking at the weekly here, the 4 hour is so oversold, I'm going to look for potentially a higher low, even on this pullback, to be formed above the recent low here of 2.532. So I am looking for a higher low, even on this pullback above this 2.532 level on this weekly, with that 4 hour being so oversold on the 4 hour RSI. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.